With recent volatility in the stock market, many investors are reconsidering their strategies, wondering if holding cash might not be a smarter place right now. The month of August 2024 saw a massive drop in the stock market, which triggered concerns about an approaching recession. As market conditions grow increasingly uncertain, cash is king, offering security to opportunity. Let's dive into why holding cash is a bright thing to do in the existing economic climate. Why hold cash in a volatile market? There's nothing new about roughness in the stock market, but some of the recent drops have sent investors scrambling. While the market is this volatile, having money or cash on hand gives a sense of some stability. Unlike stocks, cash does not drop in value. It remains constant. It's really comforting when stock prices go down and the future of the market doesn't look great. Rather than watching your investments lose value, you'll be able to sit back from the turbulence if you hold cash. Number 1, cash as a financial safety net. One of the most important advantages of holding cash during risky times is that it gives you a financial security blanket. Imagine sitting there watching your stock portfolio lose value every single day. It's an absolutely gut-wrenching experience. By having cash, you are insulating a part of your wealth against such moves. If it goes on falling indefinitely, you will be secure in your cash reserves and able to ride out the storm. This financial cushion is quite important, especially in times like this when market conditions are very uncertain. Cash also saves one from selling assets under the pressure of meeting immediate financial requirements when markets are down. For instance, if you get hit with an unexpected medical bill or your car needs a costly repair, that's money that will not require you to sell stock down at the bottom. That is, in fact, one of the most valuable features of a cash reserve, being able to pay for life's expenses without it coming out of an investment game plan. Number 2, take advantage of market opportunities. Another important benefit of keeping your cash is that it places you at the front of the line when market opportunities arise. The stock market cycles between its highs and lows. During the lows, individuals holding cash have an opportunity to buy quality stocks at a discount. This is a very popular form of strategy, commonly known as buying the dip, that could enable an individual to realize huge gains when the market finally recovers. Having cash on the sidelines allows you to act when an opportunity presents itself. An example is the market decline in March 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. For those investors with a cash reserve, they bought shares at rock bottom prices and, of course, made a killing when the market recovered towards the end of the year. This is a real case of how the possession of cash puts you in a great position for strategic investments amidst the downfall of the market. Number 3, diversifying and protecting your portfolio. Diversification is one of the major strategies for taking risk management measures into consideration, and holding cash forms a vital part of this strategy. When the markets turn volatile, cash becomes that one component in your portfolio that stabilizes everything else. For example, if you have a portfolio invested in stock, bond, and real estate, then holding a part of the investment in cash reduces the risk involved. If the value of stock decreases, your cash component will not be directly affected. It balances the overall risk involved in your investment portfolio. This diversification is particularly important during times of economic uncertainty. As we witnessed during the recent market drop, it saved your portfolio from great losses because you had cash. It also allows room for making strategic changes in the investments without being pushed to sell off assets at low prices. Holding cash also allows you to take a more measured approach to investing. Instead of timing the market to gain a reaction from short-term market moves, you can wait for the right opportunity. This in itself can possibly lead to better investment decisions and ultimately a more resilient portfolio. Number 4, flexibility to respond to unexpected events. One of the most significant benefits of holding cash is the flexibility it provides. Life is full of unpredictability, from medical bills to losing a job, or just about any sound investment that might come one's way but with the requirement of cash outlay. Keeping cash at hand basically equips you to handle the situation without the need to delve into your investments or getting yourself into debt. For example, if you suddenly need to replace your car or cover an emergency medical bill, having cash on hand will enable you to address these needs without having to sell your stocks at a loss. This flexibility is invaluable during uncertain economic times when markets are volatile and the future is unclear. Number 5, positioning for future opportunities. In times of economic uncertainty, patience can be one of your greatest assets. Keeping cash lets you stay on the sidelines and wait until just the right time to reinvest. Instead of running with the market with the possibility of further losses, keep your money aside until you see signs that the market is starting to settle down. It leaves the emotional ride at the door of a jagged market and positions you well to invest when conditions are more favorable. For example, if the market were to continue to decline, you would be ready to buy stocks at even lower prices, which would raise your potential for gains when it finally begins to rise again. It's a difficult process, requiring a lot of discipline and patience, but it really pays off in the end. Number 6, hedging against inflation. While holding cash provides security and flexibility during volatile market conditions, it's essential to consider the impact of inflation on your cash reserves. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time, meaning that the same amount of cash will buy less in the future than it does today. To mitigate this, you might consider allocating a portion of your cash to inflation-protected securities or short-term investments that offer a modest return while preserving liquidity. This approach allows you to maintain the benefits of holding cash while also protecting your wealth from the effects of inflation. Balancing cash with these inflation-resistant assets can enhance your financial strategy, ensuring that your reserves retain their value in both stable and unstable economic environments. Number 7, maintaining peace of mind. In uncertain economic times, one of the most significant advantages of holding cash is the peace of mind it provides. The emotional strain of watching investments fluctuate daily can be overwhelming, especially during market downturns. By holding cash, you reduce the anxiety that often comes with market volatility. Knowing that you have a stable reserve gives you confidence and reduces the stress associated with the fear of financial loss. This mental clarity allows you to make more rational and thoughtful financial decisions, helping you to stay focused on your long-term goals rather than reacting to short-term market movements. In essence, holding cash can help you maintain a sense of control over your financial situation, which is invaluable during turbulent times. Number 8, supporting lifestyle changes or opportunities. Holding cash can also provide the flexibility to support significant lifestyle changes or seize unexpected opportunities that may arise. Whether you're considering a career change, relocating to a new city, or pursuing further education, having cash on hand ensures that you can make these transitions smoothly without the need to liquidate investments at an inopportune time. Additionally, if a unique investment opportunity or business venture presents itself, being cash ready allows you to act quickly without the delays associated with securing financing. This ability to pivot and adapt to new circumstances is a powerful benefit of maintaining a healthy cash reserve, allowing you to align your financial resources with your evolving life goals. In today's volatile stock market, holding cash can be a smart and strategic move. Protects one from market downturns, offers the flexibility to alter one's plans according to shifting needs at any particular period, and stands ready for deployment should investment opportunities turn ripe and favorable. As important as being invested in growth is for the long term, cash on hand provides peace of mind and security as you navigate through these troubling times. Although cash does not have to be part of your long-term strategy, it can save your financial life when the market is doing terribly. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to never miss a beat about smart money strategies. See you in the next one.